O to avoid sweating to much. Do you avoid checking a plan because your own are so sweaty? Do your face so much tie your sock always smell? Are you embarrassed because always expanding sweat and in your armpit? If you have this problem, then know you're no alone. You could be experiencing a medical condition called hyperhidrosis, but even if you don't have a medical condition, and you just seem to swallow, you can take steps to keep wetness and odor from interfering with your life and clobbering your self-confidence. Usant antiperspirant. Start with a soft solid formula for a rampy sweat. Check the label to make sure that you're using an antiperspirant and not just a deodorant. Deodorant will mask smelly a rampy, but it won't attack excessive sweating. Look for a formula labeled clinical strength. You'll have to pay more for a clinical strength antiperspirant, but the product will be more effective at cutting down on sweat production. Put ton antiperspirant once in the morning and once before bedtime. Applying antiperspirant twice a day has been clinically shown to be extremely effective in preventing excessive sweating. If you only apply it once a day, apply it before bedtime rather than in the morning. Also, try massaging antiperspirant to your skin. Apply antiperspirant to dry skin only. If your armpits are sweaty or if you've just gotten out of the shower, then dry your armpits with a towel or blow dry them with a hair dryer set on a cool setting. If you apply antiperspirant to wet armpits, you may experience skin irritation. Use antiperspirants on not part of your body beside your armpits. En aérosol antiperspirant can be a great solution for sweat if along a your surtout spray no just the sole of your face but also between your teeth. If your face swallow, try applying some antiperspirant along your hairline. Just test it first before you take it out in public to make sure that antiperspirant 2 est irritate the skin on your face. 1. Wear the right clothing. Ose fabric ta absorb sweat. Coton will absorb moisture a will fabric food in athletic wear tar designé to wick away moisture. You can also use cloth with a loose vive, such a cloth made of linen. Wear layer. You should wear cotton undershirt to absorb excess sweat, while women can wear absorb camisole or use sweat absorbing pad. Select the right color. If you wear white, people are going to notice that you're sweating. If you use dark color or print, then your sweat is going to show up much. Purchase breathable for sweat effect. Branly que geoxave absorb insolent also le moisture out through goal in the sole of the shoe. You can also reduce foot sweat by wearing shoes made of light and natural material. 2. Wear sandal or go barefoot when you can so tie your feet can breathe. Bring extra clothing. Bring an extra shirt or blouse that you can change at midday if you have sweaty spots on your outfit. Change your outfit in a restroom or in your car, and use a cloth or a handkerchief to wipe away excess sweat before you put on your new top. Also, if your feet are sweaty and smelly, bring an extra pair of socks. 3. Lifestyle changeant une vérifiée home remedy. Skip spicy food. Food like hot pepper can make you sweat more, while onion and garlic can make your sweat smell unpleasant. Yet more blanc votre good day when you have work or out in public. Lose wet. If you're overwet or robes, losing wet will produce a moins of sweating that you experience because the heavier you are, the more you'll sweat because you are easy to cool down efficiently. The hygiene. The odor of sweat can be reduced considerably before hygiene practice that are very simple. Have a daily bathing routine of IT a shower or a bath in particularly bad case, consider bathing twice a day. Use a deodorant soap that will help to wipe out the bacteria that cause odor. When you're out en abu, carry baby wiper similar wipe that you can use rarement on your body to mop up sweat quickly in the bathroom and feel fresh again. Carry an antiperspirant with you all time for kick to PS, especially after physical activity or a stressful experience such as delivering a presentation. If you have a permanent workspace, keep a stick of antiperspirant in your desk drawer. Just make sure you don't leave your antiperspirant in out car it could melt. Keep drinking a caffeinated beverage. The drink can cause you to sweat excessively. Sage. Some people believe that sage can suit the nerve fiber that cause you to produce excessive sweat. The sage recipe to prevent sweating too much. Add 4 tablespoons of sage leaf to 2 cups, 500 ml, of boiling water. Simmer sage for 5 minutes, pour the liquid through massive to straight and drink the liquid. Combine 5 tablespoons of sage leaf, 1 tablespoon of valérian roux en 1 tablespoon of horsetail. Pour 1 cup, 250 ml, of boiling water of the herb and bring the liquid to a boil again. Filter the leaf out and drink the mixture day. Wash your hands and fait 8 en herbal mixture. Mix equal 1 of eucalyptus leaf, hackbark, walnut leaf, wheat hazel leaf en tormentil roux. Place 5 tablespoons of the mixture into 2 quarts, à bout de l, of water. Boil the mixture for 5 minutes and remove it from the heat. Add 1 quart, à bout 1 l, of cool water and batch your hands and fait 8 the liquid. User to combat night sweating. Mix 3 parts sage en walnut leaf with 2 parts net tle en strawberry leaf. Add 1 cup, 250 ml, of steaming water to the mixture and drink it before bedtime. Drink made from lemon balm, peppermint leaf or fennel seed if you sweat because of anxiety or stress. Drinking at the tea before bed can help you to relax and get some rest, which will reduce your anxiety level. Add essential oil to your shower bath water. Tree rose, lavender or orange oil to produce a pleasant smell and the body odor. Apply atteint layer of oil to your hands en fait. Ose geranium oil, tetriol or cypressol, 4. Sec medical help. Talk to your doctor or dermatologist first. If you are experiencing drenched clothing, embarrassment or inability to control odor a result of sweating, then it time to speak to your doctor or dermatologist. Your healthcare professional may need to take a blood test to check your thyroid or to look for infection or run a test according to their professional examination. Triant for for excessive sweating of temps en fait. Your doctor can prescribe a home electric iontophoresis machine, which use a mill electric current through water to shut down your sweat gland. 5. Ask for Botox injection. Botox can temporarily paralyze sweat gland for 7 to 19 months per injection. These are usually given for sweat ion de rare but can also be injected on the face, on the face. 6. Use a mirroring machine. The device work therapy or te sweaty area ta have a layer of protective fat. Tandel de device de l'hiver control electromagnetic energy, it cause the sweat gland to decompose. Doctor usually recommend traitements spacés 3 months à part. 7. Tac anticholinergique médication. These drugs are not approved, but they have a long history of being prescribed for excessive sweating. Athlete. People WHO participate in sport en people WHO workout or should avoid the drug because they disable the body sweating mechanism, which should cause difficulty with keeping the body cool. 8. Seek psychological intervention. If you're experiencing anxiety triggered sweating, a course of cognitive behavioral therapy or psychotherapy might be just the ticket to relieve such sweating. Undergo surgery à last resort. You have a couple of options. Local underarm surgery. The procedure is performed under local anesthesia in a dermatologist office. Your doctor will use liposuction, curettage, scraping, or laser to destroy the sweat gland. Recovery usually take 2 days, all to give need to limit arm activity for about a week. Unfortunately, health insurance de no have pay for the procedure. Endoscopic thoracic sympathectomy. Surgeon put patient under general anesthesia en attente to cut nerve from the spinal column to stimulate excessive sweating. The surgery could have serious side effect, including low blood pressure, It intolerance en irrhythmia, so I only recommended when allotted treatment option have failed. Ask your doctor about experimental treatment. Exemples incluent de acupuncture, biofeedback, hypnosis or relaxation technique. 9. Type. Prickly it caused when sweat rapid introduction to skin surface en cano escape. Tic en cause arrache, itching or blister. If you also have tea, keep the skin cool en dry en usant antiperspirant. 12. Try to remain en air conditionné environ during treatment. If you have a rash, set doctor for a corticosteroid cream or lotion, if relevant. Some people are afraid of using antiperspirant because that ingredient are linked to high risk for breast cancer. 10. En Alzheimer disease. 11. But American Cancer Society and Alzheimer Association, respectively, have stated that no evidence exists to link antiperspirant to high cancer or Alzheimer. Don't drink milk before going to spend the outside in thoughts. It will make you feel sick and sway even more. If did, take a break often. Have a sort of dairy product during a break. Also, take a spray bottle if did. Use it on hot part of your body. It will moisten the skin so you on have to. Hyperthyroidism can cause too much sweating a secondary outcome. If you suffer from the condition then medical help is a must. It could suggest you are a diabetic. Try not to feel embarrassed bit sweating. Try to stay calm and relaxed when you're in a crowded place. Stress cause you to sweat more. Drink a much water as you can, especially on a hot day, to flush your system out. Even if your sweat is visible, don't hide it with extra clothing, otherwise it will get worse and smell. Eventually it will dry, if no, go to the bathroom and clean yourself up. Sweating is sometimes associated with a pordie. If you feel if you are not eating healthy,